Hello guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Today in this RCC Slab I will show you big mistake, especially end lapping length. Guys, in many videos in IS 456-2000 we discussed that the lapping should not be provided at the end of the support. Guys, support is here, this RCC column, but you can see this is the lapping length. Okay, so the lapping length should not be provided at the end of the support, and lapping length should also not be provided at the mid, but lapping length should be provided with the L by 4 after L by 4 distance. Here you cannot see, guys, any bent up bar in RCC column. You can see an RCC top beam, you can see here, and lapping is provided at the end of the support. So if you provide lapping at the end of the support, so guys, you will face more problems. So the structure or the slab cannot support the structure load and it can provide cracks. You can see, guys, here. So therefore it can be sagged near its support, it will provide the cracks. So if you provide the lapping length, so you can see, guys, this is a lapping length on this point. Also you can see this is the other one on this top beam. Okay, so there is also lapping length. So I will clear your concept about this. You can see here, this is lapping length. You can see the joints. Okay, so the lapping length should not be provided. So if they provide, so it's already a mistake. So if they provide, so the lapping length distance should be increased about 50D to 60D. They should provide the lapping length, but first of all it should not be provided at this point. So if they provide, so this is also a mistake, and the lapping length they also didn't use any formula to use the correct lapping length. So guys, this is a big mistake and you should avoid these mistakes. So if you are working on construction site, so be careful on this point, that the lapping length should not be provided at the end of the support. And I've created many videos about this topic, so you should research about this, that where we should provide lapping length. So if you don't know where should provide lapping length, so the link is in the description of this video. You can click and find the correct place in which you can provide lapping length. So let me show you the other, this one. So the place of this crossing, they should provide the bent up bar. So it's okay, it's best, but this is a mistake. So thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.